Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.